You know what this looks like? Cliffs of Dover. Cult of Personality. I don't even think he meant it to be like that. And you know what this looks like? Sean Superstar. FC. Sean Super Solo FC. Whee! Wow, that's a short song. It's under a minute. But it's actually a wicked fun custom. I just downloaded this tonight. So, yeah. 100%. Cool. And by the way, no tapping that. All one-handed.